The judicial system of Nigeria is fraught with inadequacies, neglect and corruption. To add to such a dreadful state of affairs, anachronistic Islamic Sharia courts have jurisdiction over criminal courts in 1/3 of Nigeria's states. Such religious courts, run by Sikh-minded fanatics, continue to this day and age to terrorise the population by handing down sentences of death, flogging and amputation. We, in Europe, of course, condemn the operation of such anachronistic religious courts. But how about the Islamic world itself? Why do Islamic political figures and Islamic states, some of which are globally and regionally very powerful and influential, and with some of which we have a trading partnership, why don't they take responsibility and strongly fight against Sharia law, Islamic courts and other such evils? Why don't Islamic religious leaders themselves in some of the more advanced Islamic countries condemn such use of Islamic religion? In my opinion, their silence or lukewarm reaction amounts to quietly supporting such activities, and such a stance is for me just as criminal as those who actually administer Sharia law. So let our message of disgust with this aspect of Islamic fundamentalism reach those in the Islamic world who should be doing something drastic to change things for the better, but unfortunately they are not. Thank you.